Hello everyone. Welcome to the topic of basics of derivatives. What we are going to cover today. And this topic is going to cover the derivatives from the and in a simple layman's language, which will help a new beginner or someone who has just started to trade in the markets to understand the basic concepts very clearly. So today what we are going to cover in terms of content is going to be very important. So the topics what we are going to cover today is what is derivative, what are the types of derivatives. There are three types: forwards, futures and option. And who are the players in the derivative market. Each and every topic is very important in order to build a strong foundation when you are trading in the derivative market. So first topic what we are going to cover today is what is derivative. The basic concept that how a derivative contract is derived or what do you mean by a derivative. So as you can read on the slide that derivatives are financial instruments that derive their value from other existing assets class known as underlying. The term derivative indicates the instrument derives its values entirely from the asset it represents, be it equity, nifty, or bank nifty. So I'll just start with a small example. So this is an example which I wanted to show you guys. This is a very simple example and it will make your concept clear what a derivative is. So firstly, do you guys agree that potato chips is derived from potato? So absolutely yes. And if I say in a packet of Ruffle Lays, which is very famously known as Ruffle Lays, the main one of the main ingredients for a potato chips is potatoes. So if I tomorrow say if the price of potato goes up, the price of Lays might also go up because it is one of the crucial ingredient of the Lay's packet. Yeah. It is not the only ingredient, but it is one of the crucial ingredient which can raise the price of Ruffle Lays. So that is what we say that the price of Lays can go up or can go down depending on the change of price of potatoes. So I can say that it is a derivative. Lays is a derivative which I can say over here that its price is reflected or goes up or down based on the price of the potato. So that is how a derivative is supposed to be clearly defined as. So in a simple language, if I say it is derived from something, that is why the name derivative is given to it. So if I go here and now if you read the definition, the things would be very clear that derivatives are financial instruments that derive their value from other existing asset class known as underlying. So in this case, where we discuss the example of Lays and potatoes, the underlying asset over here would be potato and the Lays would be the outcome of it. So if the price of the underlying changes, that is, if the price of potato goes up or down, it will also reflect in the change of price for Ruffle Lays as well. So that is why the term derivative indicates the instrument derives its value entirely from the asset it represents to be. So when it comes to stock market has also derivatives which is also called as futures and options. And in derivatives in the stock markets, there is cash, there is futures, and there is options as well. So FNO, which is also called as futures and option, comes under the derivative topic. And the value of futures and option is derived from something. So that we would be discussing going ahead and how it will help any new trader or a learner to understand the derivative in detail. Derivative instruments are legal contracts. All the contracts, instruments which we mentioned are legal and all specifications are predefined and binding. and specifications like price, validity, quantity, quality, rights, and obligations of the participants, everything is clearly mentioned in the terms of the contract. So it is absolutely legal. There is nothing in the stock market wherein you are going to trade illegally. So I hope with this the basic of what is derivative is clear. So I with a simple example of this Lay's and potato. Now, what is derivative in simple terms? When you invest in derivatives, or probably you can say when you trade in derivatives, you actually trade on whether the value of the asset represented will increase or decrease in value and within a set period of time, as we learned the examples of potato and Lay's. As the derivative market deals in speculation, there is a large amount of risk also involved. So when you deal in derivatives, obviously there is a certain part where risk also plays a major role, because the price can go up or down in a big way, and that could impact the prices also in a big way. So obviously there is a certain element of risk which is involved when you deal in derivatives. But going ahead, we will also learn how we can mitigate this risk and how we can effectively trade in the derivative market.
Register for our free webinar. Download our app today. Link in description.